Hey, I'm Catherine Medruk, AI artist and AI film director. During the last months, I get a lot of messages on Instagram about please show your background work, how you do your AI art and the whole process and so on. And especially a lot of messages came from photographers because they are super interested what to do with their profession. Like in the future, it's great, guys, that you're thinking about the future. But I wasn't sure how to show it because mostly I do my work on my mobile phone, but now I'm working on one project and I plan to do it mostly on my laptop so I can show you. You know, sometimes you can't plan what you plan to work on. Sometimes this project just appears, yeah. And to relax for a little bit, just to refresh my mind. And also 2 days ago I had the surgery and my plan was just to know everything and relax. But how sometimes happen, you have great opportunities that you just can't miss. So in 3 days it will be a huge event in Berlin connected to digital fashion. So I want to show them some of my work that I specially create for them. I'm this kind of person who really likes good clothes. If it's something that appears in my mind and I can find it in the shop, I just ask people, specialists in fashion, who can create with it. So I do some kind of mock-ups, tell them about the details, everything that I want. For a lot of years I tried to find like stylish, brutal handbags, but I can't find it. And I had this design on my hand, and this special Berlin event will connect it to high-end fashion. And the winners, they will help to create their product that they want. So my idea was, okay, it's a great opportunity. Why not to try? Why not to try? If not, okay, at least I'll finalize everything that is here and to download it here. So let's start. Everything starts with idea. Then we do some mock-ups, adding some details. Okay, I think my tripod is dead, so I'll show like this. So this is VIZCOM. It's great in case if you want to create a 3D object of your product or something that you can show or print out. And in case if you have your sketches not super good but something on your mind, you can upload it here or create a new one, for example, and draw it inside of it. Okay, it's not what I expected, definitely. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now it's Lisa. And the problem was here. I forget that in case of drawing it should be not 100% but less. Otherwise it will be like total like a drawing and you need Lisa or another material. So it's not exactly this bag that I plan to send them, but it's the idea behind how to do it because it's top secret. Now you know how to do it, so you need prompt. You should choose a palette for bags or something like clothes. I like this realistic product, not general one. You could add material, for example, if you want grounding or some illustration you want to add. And don't forget about this drawing part, so you need to play and to choose the best option for you. If I like this bag, for example, I can say, okay, let's leave it, and I can go to edit mode and change it a little bit or change some details. For example, this one, I will mask it and also add a prompt. I already had some models that I created in ComfyUI, so my idea was to reuse them because when I created them I wanted to use in one project, but then I changed my mind. So yeah, I think it will be a great decision to save time. But I need to do things that I never did before in ComfyUI. I want to add my object on model that I already created, so I need to add more nodes like AP adapter, but I got some errors. How about this? Yeah, so I'm trying to find the solution. Why does it work? Because ChatGPT didn't find the problem as usual, so yeah, researching. And I was thinking, okay, it's the last thing that I need to fix, and still I have like maybe 4 or 5 files to finish it and send it. And I just opened the description of this project, what they expected, and read it again. And I was surprised. I found that they have some UX problems. So they have like a description that I currently working in, then a lot of space, and somewhere in the bottom additional requirements. And I understood that I'm not in this requirement, so they need not just static images but video and long video. So I think it's unbelievable to finish it, because I still have some problems. So I'm upset, really upset, but okay, maybe not now. I just see it, look at it very realistically, and it's impossible. Even if I cut everything, it's still impossible to do it in a good quality. Yeah, because now I see that have requirements on bitrate, on length of the video, and so on, so on, so on. So what I can do, I can use what I already did for my future projects, and maybe not with collaboration with these guys, but as a solo artist, as I usually like to do. So everything is experience, guys. So see you soon. Yeah, finally it worked as expected. Initial closes, and the result is the same. Discord. It was my idea to try something unusual, to check how it will work. The model I generated before, and I wanted to reuse it for my campaign. Cool.